So my name is Miranda, and I found out about LadyBoss through the Facebook page. I saw a video of Kaelin jumping up and down on a trampoline, and I just immediately connected with her energy. And I tried every kind of diet in the book, and I just wanted to try her program.
Nice. So for you, what's it done since you jumped in and you tried it?
It's absolutely transformed my nutrition and my exercise. So I really was not very active before LadyBoss, and my eating was terrible. So it's really taught me how to eat better and consistently work out.
I love that. Have you had any big breakthrough moments along the way?
I think the biggest thing for me was figuring out how to blast past my excuses. So I was one of those people that would always say, I'm too busy, I'm too tired. And the LadyBoss program really taught me that I have to be able to figure out how to move past those excuses in order to get to my goal.
Yeah, totally. I love that. So what do you say to someone who hasn't made that commitment to themselves, who still is struggling with their fitness, nutrition, mindset, and doesn't know if LadyBoss is right for them or anything's right for them?
Just do it.
Just that simple.
It's that simple.
Take the plunge. I love that. I love that. What's been the most fun out of all of this process?
Watching my body change. And buying all the new clothes and just getting the reactions from people. When I walk in the door and I haven't seen somebody for months, the reaction on their face to see how much I've changed is just priceless.
Yeah, that's how you know it's real.
Yes.
Yeah, that's so cool. That's so cool. Yeah, and have you had any struggles along the way?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah?
Yeah, obviously everybody messes up, but the big thing is to just not beat yourself up and to get right back on the next day, or even not the next day. Just, if you have a cheat meal when you shouldn't have, just keep going.